Keywords are probably the most confusing part of the low content publishing process to master, especially when there are many different people out there sharing different tips, tricks, and strategies. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the most common keywords mistakes that people actually make, especially the last mistake. So the first mistake is trying to put random keywords. So for example, if we choose this niche, for example, farm animals coloring book. So this niche is really good, has good ranking and good results and so on. So it's for farm animals coloring book, and you have created the interior, the cover design and so on. Then when you go to the keywords, you said
maybe some people will write on the search bar wild animals coloring book, and I can be ranked there, and the customer will like my book, even if the customer search for wild animals, not farm animals, and there are different animals.
And you said, why not? Let's just get more opportunities, more chances of getting sales. So there is nothing to lose. And you write wild animals, for example, and write lion, tiger, and so on. So those animals are not included in your interior, in your book, actually. So what you are doing, you are putting irrelevant keywords on these boxes, and this is wrong. This is completely wrong. It will kill your account and put your account in danger of being terminated. So be aware of that. There is no way to put irrelevant keywords. Don't think about it. Don't even think about it. So it's written here, how do I choose keywords? It's written here, describe your book, and they are relevant to its content. It must be relevant to the book content. So avoid putting irrelevant keywords out there to get sales, because that will affect your account negatively, especially for the long term. So this is the first mistake. The second mistake is putting trademarks keywords in your keywords boxes. So for example, you liked Disney coloring book. This is maybe a really good niche. However, it has a trademark, so you can't have a book in this niche. However, you have created a similar book, for example, some kids coloring book, and you said it's the same targeted audience that I'm targeted here for the Disney coloring book, for example. And you said,
I know that I'm not allowed to write Disney on the title and the subtitle or description. However, on the keywords, no one will see it. So I can write it and it will be okay.
no, this is not the case. This is also not allowed. You cannot put any trademarks, any copyrighted keywords on your keywords boxes. I know the customers will not see it. However, the search Amazon algorithms will know about it. So avoid that, because also that will affect your account, and you don't want to wake up the next day getting email of your account being terminated because a Disneyland putting in your keyword boxes, okay, and into your business from its beginning. Okay, so avoid putting any trademarks even in the boxes of the keywords. So the third mistake is putting singular words in the keywords. So for example, let's see this niche, meals planner lookbook, and you're interested in it. You have created book on that niche, and yeah, it's ready to upload. You wrote the title, subtitle, and so on. And by the way, I have created a video about how exactly to write your title and subtitle in the previous video. You will find the link in the description. Go watch it. It's really helpful. Okay, so now you have written the title and the subtitle. Here in the keywords, you said, let's put more phrases. For example, you like this search here, keto diet journal for beginners. Maybe someone will search for it. So it's better to put it, for example, these keywords in one box. Amazon will prefer you to put your keywords like a phrase that the customer will search for it on the Amazon search bar. So there's likely a chance that people will search for this niche, keto diet journal for beginners. Okay, and this is a really good niche, 473 results only, and good rankings, as you can see. So put them all together, because some people think that keywords must be one word. No, the keywords can be one word or phrase, short phrases, and it's written here even in the instruction. So you can enter keywords or short phrases that describe your book, and it's better to put them in order, like the logical order. So don't put them like the keto here, for example. So this is not better for you. So put it like a natural, like some customer will search for it in the Amazon search bar. So diet journal for beginners, keto, there is a chance someone will search for this term. However, there is a better chance of people and more customers search for keto diet, like this, keto diet journal for beginners. So put it natural, put it in one box if it's short phrase like this. So this is the third mistake. And the fourth mistake, which many people avoid, which is updating your keywords. So for example, you have created a book about mileage logbook, about any niche, and you haven't seen, for example, a result for this book. So you cannot change your title or subtitle. However, you can change the keywords. So why you don't try to change them? Put them. So all of these mistakes, for example, if you have put in the past wrong keywords, or you want to add more keywords, go and update your keywords, especially for the books that are in profitable niches, or the book that you have put a lot of money or a lot of time creating them. So don't waste all that effort and putting wrong keywords and irrelevant keywords, so you can update them. So update in regular basis and see the changes, see what you can learn, and hopefully you get more sales. So this is the fourth mistake. And the fifth mistake, which many people do it, is trying to repeat the keywords. So for example, some people have written some keywords in the title, other keywords in the subtitle, of course, and then they will repeat them on the keywords boxes, and that is wrong. So according to Amazon itself, right here, it's written the best keywords are those that don't repeat words in the title, category, or description. So if you have written any word on the title or subtitle, avoid writing them on the keywords. And you may think,
Oh, Muja, uh, if my book, the main focus on my book is logbook, so it's better to try to repeat the mileage logbook in title, subtitle, and on the description and on the keywords as well. So Amazon will understand that the main idea, so and to make it happen, and it will be more important than others keywords.
shut your mouth. This is not true. Amazon itself said don't repeat it, so respect Jeff Bezos and don't repeat it. And I'm going to show you how that works. So for example, this is the title and here is the subtitle. Okay, so you will see that I have repeated mileage logbook, and it's not actually my book here, so I've just copied it from other books just to show you that example. So you can repeat it if it's like naturally in the sentence. However, try to avoid that. Okay, so for example, as an example, this is the book title and this is the subtitle. All of these keywords, don't include them in the keywords boxes. So for example, you want to include this phrase on your keyword section. So vehicle mileage logbook for car taxes and expenses. So for example, vehicle is not included here, so it's fine. However, mileage logbook is written in the title. So this is already written in the title, mileage logbook. So we will change its color to the red. For car taxes and expenses. So we have for here, taxes, so it's already written for, and also taxes also written, and expenses, so, and it's not included. However, expenses also is not included. So now we are left with 4 words, so we are going to put them like this. So vehicle, car, because it's not in the title or subtitle, and expenses like this. So this is the right way. Remove this because we have already written mileage logbook, we have already written for taxes, so there's no need to repeat them. So the left keywords are vehicle, car, and expenses. Okay, and another example, this one. So mileage logbook for taxes. This phrase is all its keywords are included. So I will change its color to the red. Business owners, gas mileage logbook for car. So mileage logbook also in the title. For car we have introduced it in other keywords. So I will change the color as well. So we are left with this phrase, business owners gas. So we can copy it and write it here. So this is how you put the best chances of getting the best results. Put it in the logical order. If you have repeat some keywords in your title, subtitle, remove them from the keywords to see better results. So this is my strategy. You can see what works for you. And by the way, I really advise you to watch this video where I'm talking about how to write your title and subtitle step by step.